In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Tally. So with Google Sheets, every form submission is saved automatically. First, open your browser and log in to your Tally at 5 account. From your dashboard, open the form you want to connect. Make sure the form is published. Next, open the Integrations tab for that form. Here, find and click Google Sheets. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, you'll be asked to log in and allow access. Once connected, choose whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or connect to an existing one. You can also enable the option to send past submissions to the sheet if needed. After selecting your spreadsheet, click Save to finish the setup. That's it. From now on, every new Tally form submission will automatically appear in your Google Sheet. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick tutorials.